Alright guys, I'm about to figure out if I'm an idiot. Started getting a misfire tonight. So the first thing I did was pull the codes. Had a code for bank 2, primary O2 slow. Cleared it, it didn't come back, it was still misfiring. So I replaced both of those sensors. Still misfiring. Will not throw a code for what's misfiring. No codes in the system. So I'm checking the obvious. I looked at the plugs there, looked fine to me. So I started ohms testing the plug wires. And most of them are coming out about 0.32. See if I can show you this. I'm going to keep pressure on the one. There, hopefully you can see that. 0.325. And it's on auto, so I'm not sure what scale it's putting it on. 2 decimal points maybe, 32,000. Not sure. Not expert at that. So that was cylinder number 1. So I did 2 more and they seemed okay. Got to this guy, he's looking a little rough. So I did the same thing. Put a probe in there. Put a probe in there. And I get nothing. Now if I bend the wire, I'm getting resistance. See, hopefully you can see that. When I straighten the wire, I get nothing. Watch that. And I'm holding those probes as still as I can. And I tried, holding this one steady, moving this one around inside there, making sure I'm making good contact. Nothing. Same thing on this end. Moving it around, solid on this end. Nothing. Oh, there's a little bit there. So let's see if I can hold it. That's me moving the wire. Look at that. So, okay, 1 wire, but the miss is pretty bad. So I did another one. This is the front cylinder on the passenger side. This is why I started to doubt myself, think I'm an idiot, which is completely plausible. Test this one, and I got nothing again. Even if I bend the wire in this one, I just got nothing. So now I'm thinking, what are the chances that I got 2 failed plug wires at the same time? Maybe one of them was already going bad, who knows? So I gotta keep going, right? So second cylinder. These are supposed to be GM Red Hot wires. Somebody looked at them and said they didn't think they were, but I bought them on Amazon probably 2 years ago. They're probably 2 years old. I run their sleeves over there, but still see they got pretty hot. So I test another one, bam, right away. As soon as I touch any metal, I got 0.32, no bending, nothing. So that looks okay. Get to the third cylinder on the passenger side. Probe in there. Touching metal. And kind of bouncing. We're settling on pretty high resistance there. Now I move it a little bit. See, I'm bouncing around here as I move the wire. Now we're getting down to where it should be, and I move it straight, and we're bouncing around. Nothing there, I moved. So I'm going to move the probe around. Hold that one tight. So we're good there. We're not bouncing around. Solid, right? I'm going to move it straight. Now we're okay. But I'm getting pretty inconsistent results there. Let me just show you another one that I think's good. I'm going to start in the bent position here. Bang, 0.32 right off the bat. move the wire around, consistent. So I feel like a dummy, but it looks like I got 3 bad plug wires. So I have a set of cheap auto store plug wires that I bought one time because I needed one. I pulled one off for some reason and it broke. So I have 3 up in the attic. I'm gonna put those 3 on tomorrow. It's late. See what happens. Hopefully he fixes it. So we'll see what happens. I did notice the car was running. I thought what felt a little sluggish on the big end, up around 5,500 RPM. Still felt like it was running pretty clean overall. And then today I went for a little run, went around a pretty nice sweeping hand corner, decent high RPM. Came out on a straight, put her in 6th gear, and boy was she bucking like crazy. So hopefully that's what we got. Got the back cylinder on the driver's side, and then cylinders 1 and 3. Now that's probably not the cylinder numbers, but on the passenger side, back from the front. So we'll see. Plugs look good. The plugs in those cylinders. I don't know, they look pretty good. I'm not an expert, but they still look okay. I think this is something recent. The car was running completely fine. I just got tuned 2 months ago. These plugs are new, to my knowledge. They look pretty good. I checked for cracks. Everything looked good there. Yeah, not what you're hoping, obviously, after, just had a bunch of work done. Good shop, did a good job. Car's been running tip-top for 2 months. Just had the trans in 390s put in the rear and the Monster LT1S put in. The car put down 456 to the wheel on a dyno jet. It's running great. It's doing exactly what I expected it to. Just unfortunate that I ran into this, but hopefully that's all it is. Some of these do look pretty rough now that I look at them, even with the sleeves on them. They rub up against the headers, the LG headers. Not much I can do about that. So it's late. I'm gonna call it a night. Stick these plugs back in after work tomorrow, and I'm going to order a new set of wires. I was suggested just to go with the stock OE wires. I'm covering the red up with the fire sleeve anyway, so that may have been just an impulse purchase at the time. New red wires, but we'll see. So. Stay tuned tomorrow. We'll see what happens.